Evening students, today we'll discuss about the contents and about the chapter number 1, and I'm your new teacher. My name is Tiwari Prince Kumar, and today we'll discuss about the number system as well. So let us get through the contents and the chapters which are involved here. You can see here chapter number 1 is number system. Second chapter name is formulas and functions. Third chapter name is advanced features of Excel. Fourth chapter name is log on to animate CC. And the remaining things, chapter number 5 name is what? You can see here, working with layers. And let us see about this chapter number 6. Introduction in Python, introducing Python, more on Python, more on CSS3. Chapter number 9 is preceding by using lists and tables in HTML5, and chapter number 10 is cyber safety. So now we'll discuss about the chapter number 1. That is nothing but, you can see here, it's shown in the page number 1 of chapter 1. That is nothing but, on the top you can see what is the chapter's name, lesson's name, lesson first name is number system. Have you ever heard about the number system in your previous smaller classes, like in the previous class, like 6th, if you because you belong to the 7th class? So you can see here what is mentioned, number system. So what is the thing, what is the term defining? Number system defines what? The system which is included, which gives the information about the numbers, which is what formulated in different formats, like whether it is in decimal format, whether it is in binary format, and whether it is in many other format as well. So you can see what is given. In the earlier times, when there were no means of counting, people used to count with the help of fingers, stones, sticks, and pebbles as well. So in the previous times, you have heard about the counting is done via this thing, like via the usage of fingers, because at the lower or KG level, if you'll go through, you have seen that the counting, the teachers teaches the counting in which manner. You can see they used to tell us that via the fingers, counting via the fingers, counting via the various tally marks. If you remember, क्या करते हैं बच्चों, उसमें क्या करते हैं, पेन से क्या करते हैं, मार्क करके उसको क्या करते हैं, काउंट, मार्किंग के थ्रू भी काउंट कर सकते हो आप. एंड पेबल्स का यूज़ करके पहले के ज़माने के जो लोग होते थे, बेसिकली दे यूज्ड टू काउंट बाय द पेबल्स, मीन्स लाइक स्टोन, small stones, and various other things as well, sticks as well. Next is what is given in your chapter. These methods were not adequate and had many limitations, and many number systems introduced in the passage of time. So thing is what? It is not clear. Like pebbles, how many pebbles it is actually, there will be a different sizes and shapes of the pebbles, and if there is only a limited type of there will be limitations in terms of counting in the terms of pebbles or sticks or anything, or the fingers, because we have only in the total we have only 20 fingers. So it is not possible to count so many fingers, so many numbers, and in different formats, like if it is in fractions or decimal as well. So that's why there is an idea to generate some system which has different types of data, different types of information as well. So you can see here what are the types. First one is decimal number system. Second one is your binary number system. Third one is your octal number system, and fourth one is preceded by hexadecimal system. First one is decimal, second one is binary, third one is octal, and fourth one is your hexadecimal number system. Let us continue. You can see here, let us see the definition of number, the definition of number system. Yes, here it is. So a number system is a set of values used to represent different quantities, such as number of students, number of viewers, etc. So this is nothing but a number of system, means counting anything, whether it is in the data is in textual format or in numerical format or in graphical format as well. That is nothing but combinedly called as number system. So let us see the first topic, that is what? Yeah, the most important line is here. The total number of digits used in number system is called as base or radix. So basically देख सकते हो यहाँ पे example दे रखा है बच्चों. There is an example 15, and it is termed as what? It is called as, which is inside the bracket, is called as base or radix. And what is that? the base is what? 15. The number is 15 and the base is what? 10. It is called as base or radix. You can see here. I will show you. Wait for a while. Yeah, you can see here. Okay. So 10 is what? 10 is the base and 15 is the numerical number as well. Next, let us discuss about the further thing, that is next first heading preceding subdivision, that is decimal number system. So the number system, the need for the counting paved the way to introduce this decimal number system, in which what is the number, what is the limitation, what is the range, that is nothing but it will vary from 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Decimal number system consists of 10 digits. Basically it consists of how many digits? It is 10 digits, that is nothing but 0 to 9. And which has further subdivisions, that is nothing but there will be a digit. If there is a digit, it will be having different types of digits, that is things, that is face value of the digit, base of the number system, and the position of the digit in the number. So these three are the key points we have to remember while writing a digit in terms of decimal number system. The first one is what? Face value, base of the number system, and position of the system. So for today it is enough. Thank you for taking part in my video, and just go through and gain the knowledge as well. So thank you.